Good morning, class. Today we're gonna discuss about the evolution of technologies.
Excuse me, Mr. Poison Bro. Can I use the restroom?
Yes. But please come back here in 5 minutes, because I have a class to teach. Understand?
Yes. I understand, Mr. Poison Bro. I'm going to knock down those vending machines. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey. What the frick did you just do?
Oh shoot. It's Anti-Professor Baraem Quirrell.
Did you just knock down those vending machines?
Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
That's it. I'm telling Principal Paul about what you just did.
No. Please. Don't do it.
Oh my gosh! Bimo. How dare you knock over those vending machines? Now we have to put them back where they belong. And plus, knocking down the vending machines will cause damage. That's it. You are suspended for today. Go home now.
Bimo. We can't believe you just knocking down the vending machines at school. You know knocking down the vending machines will cause severe damage. That's it.
You are grounded until your suspension is over. Go to your room now.